Understanding Religious Harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll delve into the concept of religious harmony. This intriguing topic is all about promoting understanding and peace among different religious groups. So, let's explore what it means and why it's important in our diverse world. Religious harmony refers to the peaceful coexistence of different religions and beliefs within a community or society. It's not just about avoiding conflict. It's about fostering respect, understanding, and appreciation among different religious groups. This concept encourages individuals to acknowledge and respect religious differences while focusing on the common values that unite us, such as kindness, compassion, and the quest for peace. Religious harmony is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it promotes social cohesion and unity, making societies more stable and peaceful. It helps in reducing religious conflicts and tensions, which are often sources of widespread disturbance. Secondly, it enriches our societies by allowing diverse perspectives and cultural practices to thrive. This not only enhances mutual respect but also fosters a more inclusive and empathetic world. While the path to religious harmony is noble, it's not without challenges. Misunderstandings, stereotypes, and historical conflicts can create hurdles. Additionally, the misuse of religion for political gains can also strain interfaith relationships. Overcoming these challenges requires continuous effort, education, and dialogue to build bridges of understanding and respect. Promoting religious harmony starts with each individual. It's about embracing diversity and practicing tolerance. Engaging in interfaith dialogues, educating oneself about different religions, and standing against religious discrimination are pivotal steps. Communities and leaders play a crucial role by organizing multicultural events and establishing platforms for peaceful inter-religious communication. In conclusion, religious harmony is a beautiful tapestry woven from the threads of understanding, respect, and cooperation among different faiths. It's a journey towards a more peaceful and united world. Remember, every step we take towards understanding each other, no matter how small, contributes to a harmonious society. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video brings you a step closer to appreciating the beauty of religious harmony. Stay tuned for more insightful content.